I look like a ballerina on crack. I love making mediocre content. Hello, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be getting ready with me for work, which means I'm only doing my eye makeup. I'm going to be using the Lethal Is Dead palette, the Theresa Is Dead, and Lethal Cosmetics, so very pretty palette. The other day I used the blue, that green, and that color right there, and then I did use a little bit of this one, so Predator, Body Snatch, Vengeful Spirit, and Straight to VHS. So today I figured I would probably just use, I think, The Final Girl and then Ancient Evil, those two colors for my eye makeup. Just make it very light, again, going to work, so yes, making it very, very easy, very light. I already did my eyebrows a little bit, and I put on some of my Anastasia Beverly Hills eye primer. So how's it going? Let me know in the comments down below. I feel like I had no time off from work because I had to spend that extra day down in Carbondale. On the other hand, this is a plus. I'm apparently getting a trainee. With my luck, I'll get there and they'll say, oops, they couldn't make it. Definitely don't feel like I had a lot of time off though. I will say in this palette, you know, that The Final Girl and the Vengeful Spirit, the colors look very similar. Oh, and of course my dog is whining because I'm talking to myself. Anyways, yeah, so I don't know what I'm doing. I have to get my stuff ready for work. I mean, I don't really have to get anything ready. I have all my stuff ready. I'm just recording this so I have a video for tomorrow. I don't know what I'm gonna do for my third day. Just as long as I don't get stuck down in freaking Carbondale again. Also, just, you know, since we're here chatting, a chatty get ready with me. So my job is going away and I have to bid and or bump onto another run, which means, I mean, I'm not losing my job, but the train I work is changing, and it's going to be paired with a different train because they're bringing trains back. When the Pangea happened, they had to get rid of some trains, they had to furlough people. Well, now they're bringing trains back. So, great for the company. Bad for this trip because, yeah, they're getting rid of this trip and they're pairing it with something else, which super sucks. I really like this schedule because I get to Chicago after the first shift basically for the day is left, so parking is always really good. I can usually park my car underneath a bridge so it's protected from the elements, as it were. I may possibly get a run where I'm going to be gone 5 days. The first and the last, the fifth, aren't actually going to be working. It's just deadheading is what we call it, where we take another train to another place. So I would be deadheading, but I'm still gone 4 nights, 5 days. So that might actually put a hamper on my uploads. I'm unsure. There are other trips that work just like similar to what I have now, except it's super early report time in Chicago, and honestly I just don't want to deal with it. So, I don't want to be there really early and get in really late to go home. I've worked that in the past, don't like it. There's another trip where it's the same days on every week, but the schedule is just a killer, and I don't want that. So basically what I did was I did bid on that particular schedule, the weekly schedule, however, only to get working Monday through Thursday or Tuesday through Friday, which would give the weekends off. But I already know I'm not going to get it because the two people with more seniority than me on my particular run have already said that they're going to bid on it, and the one is number 1 out of Chicago. So I'm already guaranteed, I'm sure, that I'm not going to get it, but I'm still putting it down first anyways as like my first choice, and then I'm bidding on this other run. So I don't know what's going to happen, don't know how it's going to affect me uploading every day, but I'm just letting you know in advance. That might put a hamper on things. I could always take my bump, which means I could literally bump anyone out of their job with lesser seniority than me because they're abolishing my particular job. I could also do that too, wait for my bump, and I could literally work anywhere as long as the person has less seniority than me. Honestly though, I don't want any other jobs. I don't want to work a 6-day trip because apparently they're killers, because people, apparently the sleeping cars are the only ones getting the diner. So like I have coworkers telling me they're doing lots and lots of money in sales because the people cannot go into the diner, which don't get me started about my job. So I think I'm going to take the that darker red I told you about, and I'm going to mix it with the blue one-on-one, put it underneath my eyes to make like a purple. Yeah, so I just have to remember to hand in my paper when we get in to work. I'm going to make sure I have it in my little purse thingy. I kind of pared down what I bring with me since I'm going to have a trainee. I bring so much to work, but I am gone for 3 days, so get over it. A lot of people give me shit too about like what I bring to work with me, and I'm like, look, I can carry my own stuff. I actually have a cute little cart that I use because I don't want to kill my back walking through the train yard. So, you know, but yeah, anyways, I don't need help, whatever. People still give me shit, and I'm just like, I don't care. I am going to take the straight to VHS, though, that yellow, and I'm going to use that as my inner corner. See how that looks. Oh, that looks cute. Okay, cool. Cool, cool. Yeah, so after this, I just have to get ready for work. I don't have to try and leave early or anything, because it's today's Sunday? Yeah, today's Sunday, I think. So driving should be very nice. Oh, look at me. I'm so cute. I look like a ballerina on crack. No joke, a kid in 8th grade said that to me. Never got it out of my head since. Anyways, hilarious. Yeah, that's all I'm doing. That's all I'm doing. That's all I need. You know what? I'm just going to take a little vengeful spirit, put it underneath. Right there. Complete the look. Hilarious. So I am going to take the Unicorn Cosmetics Wicked palette with me to work. Shut up. My dog. Oh boy. Yeah, the Wicked palette, so I'm going to use that at work. I think that will be my next Project 10 pan, although I haven't made a video for it yet. This is a Reeler 24-hour eyeliner. I just like to push it up into my eyelashes. I don't really eyeline. I just like to try and make my eyelashes look fuller, I guess you could say. This eyelid has been very good lately, looking a little bit fuller. I don't know what's going on there, but I'm happy for it, because at least now they kind of match in size. Alright, yeah, there's my ballerina on crack look. Alright, but yeah, if I'm lucky, this trainee already knows what they're doing, and I can just basically sit and watch them. So what happened was we basically had trainees last year. We had LSA trainees, because that's what I am, LSA. We had trainees, and then the stuff happened with furloughing and everything, and these poor dudes, these poor dudes, they were basically released and then they were furloughed. So, and apparently we didn't have, I mean, I don't know how many people didn't come back, but enough to where we are short-staffed now for onboard employees, which I'm amazed by, because like honestly, we get paid really well. I'm not going to say how much we get paid on video or anything, but like Railroad has always paid well. You always have gotten very good benefits, and you know, healthcare, all that good stuff, you know. So I'm so surprised, even though it's been a year, don't get me wrong, I know it's been a year, but they were even making good money just from sitting at home and not working. Like, basically almost as much as we make regularly per hour. And so I'm kind of over here like, I want a break. Damn! Well, very soft look, but at least looks like I have something going. Again, I use the Theresa Is Dead palette. Oh, it's so funny. Very nice palette though. So those are two different colors that I hadn't used prior. The only thing I can complain about this palette is how dirty it is. You can maybe see the little specks all over. Nothing was broken, but it did have specks of shadow all over it on the sides and stuff. But yeah, they were fine otherwise. So yeah, it's so far it's cool. So the only colors I need to use next will be, I haven't used Spellbound, Creature, Feature, or Watery Grave. So, and those three actually look like they make a nice combo, so I might use those next. So anyways, thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. I will see you tomorrow. because I'm a daily uploader and I'm a crazy ass and I love making mediocre content. So anyways, talk to you later, bye.